Hello guys, this is Yash Thakur and welcome to my channel Teach Technical. And today I will unbox a cutter machine that I have purchased from amazon.com. And let's first unbox this box and I will show you what you will get inside this box. So I have unboxed this material from the Amazon box, and here you can see you will get the material box. Here it's clearly written that it is Ibell Marble Cutter or Woodcutter, and this is some technical specification given below, and you will get 6 months of brand warranty. It's clearly written here, and this is the model number IBL MC10-30. At the side of the box you can see that the model number and the technical specification. At the back of the box again the technical specification. At the top of the box you can see that I have got the box again. This is broken part. You can see that this is the broken part. I have got it. The box is broken and got a crack here, and you will get the warranty barcode here at the top of the box, and at that box you will get nothing. So let's quickly unbox this box also, and let's see what you will get inside this box. Okay, I have unboxed this Ibell Marble Cutter, and you can see that these are all the contents you will get inside this box. And first of all, let's see that this is the warranty card. As you can see that, let's take it out of this thing. Oh, okay, this is the, I think so, key to open the disc. It is used in the marble cutter, and there are two things. Okay, these are the small key and this is the big key to open the disc, to change the disc. And next thing you will get here, this is the warranty card. This you can see that the toll-free number, and okay, these are the two things. This is the warranty card, and you can claim the warranty inside 6 months after the purchase. And this is the manual, user manual, and you can install the disc via reading this, how to use this cutter and all the stuffs. Okay, next thing you can see that this is the item. This is final thing you will get. Okay, let's take it out from the cover here. So I have taken out the cover of this machine, and you can see that this is the main code, and very hard code. You can see that, I think so, it is something 1.5 square mm of wire provided by the Ibell. It's not written anything, but I think so it is 1.5 square mm of wire. So you can see that it is a branding name Ibell, and you can see the technical specification over here, and this is the model number, rated input power and everything. Over this side you can see the air ventilation to take out the hot air while using this product. This is the trigger, and to lock this trigger there is an option here. You can press here and you can hold this trigger and again unhold this thing. Okay, at the downside you can see the measuring plate here, or you have to use to cutting. You can label this thing via this plate. Okay, and this is the disc switch. You can see that here you can lock and unlock the disc via here, and here you can fit out a disc, and this is the key provided here to unlock this thing. I can show you. Okay, so this is the key, and you can use here to unlock and lock this thing, and this is the small thing to unlock this bolt. So this is used to unlock and lock this chuck item to insert the disc over here. And I will show you. Let's start this machine and I will show you. Before this you can see that this is also given in this box, and this is, I think so, used to open the nut bolt of here. Yeah, it is used to open this nut bolt. And so let's go and operate this machine. I will show you while operating and how it sounds. So you can see this switch is used for adjusting the gauge while you can inserting the disc of high mm or high OD. Let's see. Okay, after this you can up and you can lock this. Okay, if you're adding the big blade inside this, which means example, this blade you can get, this is of 110 mm. This means it's of 4 inches or approximately 4.5 inches, but you can add up to 5 inches in this. You can use the blade up to 5 inches in this. So for this you can adjust, you have to adjust this gauge for cutting. If you're using 5 inches of blade, you can, this is used for adjusting for this, or you can use small blade also, and you have to close this as you are using small blades. And at the back side you can see, this is the new things I've seen in this type of machine. This is the water supply valve, and while cutting marble, there is a need of supplying water, as the machine does not heat or marble doesn't heat and blade doesn't break. So you have to apply the small pipe inside this and inlet of this, and this is the outlet of the water. While operation, the continuous flow of water will be provided by this valve. So these two are the unique things you can see in this cutter compared to other cutters. Okay, so this is the machine I've connected to the power supply, and let's see the sound and the operating trigger here. So you can see that. So it has 13,000 rpm of the noise here. Also, the speed of this machine is 13,000 rpm, and it runs very fast during the operation. So you have seen the testing of this machine. It has lots of noise while operating, but as the technical specification, the sound is natural only. It is used for industrial purposes, for home purposes itself. And I have not tested while connecting the disc inside. I will test and I will post you in the comment section. So this is the machine, and this is the box content. So this is it about this video. So please like this video, share this video, and comment about it, whether you have liked or not this video. And please subscribe my channel for more technical stuffs I will post. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.